Here is nobody.
Maybe. The name of the song is called What If by John Michael Howell. And I know the reason why everyone joined this training is you all have some objective or maybe a vision or a goal. Right? After this, maybe you might not think of you want to become a teacher, but you just want to come and learn more. A lot of people, a lot of students, and even my husband also ask me, why so many times? Lulu so, Yong Ho, Amy, why so many times? But for me is, I don't want to regret. Like this song, what if when I become old and I look back and I think of, how come I didn't join this training and I never go to continue to further study, further understand. Like for me, I joined many times, but still, I'm not enough, never enough. I feel like, never enough. It's like every training I learn, of course, I also improve. So I don't want when I become old and I look back, what if I never tried and I regret? That's my life. And you know, in Chinese there's a saying like, 人生有幾多個十年? Really like throw back, what's my past 10 years been doing? Work, and what's next? I want to be something different. So I tell my husband and my students and people who ask me, I just want to be something different. I go and listen, and maybe it's healing, but I never regret for this life. So what if you are still thinking about whether to teach after this training, you still hesitate to become a different person? Think about this one. What if? What if you regret in your next 10 years? You say, I took training but I did not teach. That's very, I would say, waste. Yeah. Just go and try. Don't let your what if become regret.